Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make this Malaysian chicken satay with peanut butter dip. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot. Click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. The main preparation for this recipe is the marination. So let's make it with some shallots, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, some brown sugar and some oil. Now blend everything really well. You can also add in some water if required. Now add this marination into the boneless chicken strips. Add enough salt and mix it really well onto the chicken pieces. Now keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours and let's prepare a peanut butter dip for the chicken. So in some peanut butter, add in garlic, ginger, brown sugar, lemon juice, chili sauce, soy sauce and some coconut milk. Mix everything really well. You can add more coconut milk or coconut cream to make it more smooth. Now our chicken has marinated really well. Take some skewers and add the chicken carefully onto the skewer. So before inserting the chicken pieces into the skewers, it's always better to soak the skewers in water for half an hour. Or else while frying, there is a chance that the skewers will get burnt and break. Carefully insert all the chicken pieces onto the skewers like this. Now the chicken is ready for frying. So take a pan, drizzle some oil and fry each chicken pieces with the skewers like this. Fry all the chicken pieces till it gets nicely cooked and crispy. Now our delicious chicken satay is ready. Dip each chicken piece with the peanut butter dip and enjoy. So do try out this recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.